Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check app permissions on your iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure that you watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, let's dive into it. So first of all, you'll have to head over to the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down, and in the last section you'll be able to find all the applications that you have installed on your iPhone. Now if you want to check the app permission of a specific app, you'll have to head over to into it. Now for example, I want to check the app permissions of Snapchat. I'll go into Snapchat. Now I'll be able to find all the all the permissions, including a location, contacts, photos. Now I can go into notifications and I can change it whatever do I want, and I can turn on or turn on notifications. I can turn on or turn off contacts permission. I can turn on background app refresh. I can customize all the settings right here. So if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.